Hey guys, so I'm thinking about, this was suggested to me a few times actually. I'm just going to mark the floor here with some tape. I need a headboard for the bed, and in order to do that I need to build a bed frame underneath this thing. Now I have a bunch of lumber in the back, and I gotta use it up because it's just taking up space. And in a tiny house, I know it's nice to have lumber around, but I gotta put it to use so it's up out of the way. And then hopefully if I'm able to raise the bed up a decent amount, then I can have some storage underneath the bed as well. So twofold purpose: use up this lumber in the back of the back storage area, and hopefully everything will go from there. So I'll see what I can do for making a bed frame up out of the junk I have here. So see you guys in a bit. Alright, I'm gonna grab some pieces of 2x4 and stuff that I got, just so I can see what I'm dealing with. Let's see. So, I've got some stuff that's a little long. Let's see what we got. That one's not bad. That one's a little, wow, it's about the same. I'm just laying out all my 2x4s here, guys, because I gotta see if this is doable with what I have. It's gonna be damn tricky with just the crap that I got here, so we'll see. It'll at least use all this stuff up. Should be able to do it. How? So I got some smaller pieces here. Those will probably be for the legs. I believe that's it for 2x4s. And I do have some pieces of plywood and stuff, but I should have enough for legs. I would think. Should be enough there. So I don't really know a design at all, but as long as I get the border, I'm guessing, and put plenty of support for on the legs, we should be good. I just got to have a uniform height for this thing to sit up off of the ground and all that fun stuff. So this guy needs to be cut or save for something else because he's a little too long. And then everything else should be good. Should be pretty much usable. And then I think I can use up that plywood to make some type of base. Now, I'm not like a normal person, guys, would go out, buy a bed frame for a couple $100, or they would go buy 2x4s full lengths and cut them down to size to make them fit. But I want to use up what I have in the tiny house. That way I get rid of it and make more room. So this is what I'm stuck with. So I'll try and mess around and figure out what I can do here. Alright guys, so I kind of got a layout and I use up most of the 2x4s this way. It's pretty wasteful to do it this way, but I figure I have 2x4s, four stacked, right? Different lengths and widths and all that. Well, they're all the same width, but I think I'm going to use this leftover piece of plywood for my headboard, and obviously I got to screw each of these together, and I'm just laying it out so my long ones are on the ends, obviously, and then I have two shorter ones in the middle, and I got the headboard right up against the wall there, and I'll just I can either cut this or leave this stick out. I may have to, I think I'll have to cut that, but that's not a big deal. And basically all I'm going to do is, once these guys are all screwed together, I'm just going to put them underneath the box spring. But this guy is going to be, the headboard's going to be screwed to the bottom of that. So it's only going to stick up a little ways, just so the pillows and stuff don't fall off the bed on this side. And this is like dirt poor bedding, but I got to do what I got to do, guys, because YouTube's very generous lately. Not. God. But that's what I got to do. So I'm going to get to it.